Jumbo Elephant's family that lived in a village went to attend a relative's wedding in the city. When they returned, they were shocked to see what they saw. The house was burgled, and everything was strewn around. Cash of 50,000 rupees and his wife's jewelry were stolen from Jumbo's cupboard. On seeing this, Jumbo's wife screamed and fell unconscious. Inspector Monty Bear soon arrived at the spot. He started investigating.
Looks like the thief knew that you would be out all night. He has leisurely reached your house. Who else knew about this?
All know. We informed our relatives and neighbors, along with our milkman and vegetable man.
Jumbo informed. Neighbor Jumpy Monkey came in.
Why have you come here? Don't you know a theft has taken place here?
Jumbo shouted angrily.
I came by just in case of any help, Uncle.
Tell me, Jumpy. Did you see anyone at night?
Monty asked lovingly.
No, Uncle.
Looking left and right, Jumpy said.
But I am surprised to see this half-burnt candle on the table. For a long time, power has not tripped in our area. Then who must have lit this candle?
Monty looked at Jumbo.
We don't use candles. We have an inverter. But now there is no use wasting time on this discussion. The theft has already taken place.
Jumbo said coldly.
Monty Uncle, if Jumbo Uncle did not light this candle, then surely some thief has done this work.
Jumpy sounded sure.
But how can you say this for sure?
Look, Uncle, the thief, along with others, also knew that Uncle Jumbo had gone out for some days. He entered the house quietly after breaking the lock, with the intention of committing theft. But if the thief had lit the lights to search for costly things, then some neighbor would have seen the lights on and doubted it. For once, he would surely have thought, who must have switched the lights on?
Absolutely right. Your theory is correct.
One more thing. We can catch the thief with the candle as a clue.
How?
Monty and Jumbo were impressed by Jumpy's understanding.
The thief surely must not have got the candle with him. He must have bought it secretly from somewhere nearby before the theft. In our area, candles are sold only in 2 shops. We must go to Champa Rabbit's and Ferdy Mouse's shop.
Marvelous. You will surely be a famous detective on growing up.
Saying, Inspector Monty took Jumpy in his jeep to Ferdy's general store. Ferdy informed them that no candle had been sold from his shop for 1 week. Both reached Champu's shop and asked,
Champu, did you sell candles last week?
Yes, yesterday morning I sold the whole packet to Tito dear.
Champu recollected.
That means I will have to arrest Tito immediately.
Wait, Monty uncle. Don't be in a hurry. Uncle is a professor of science. He has made a laboratory at home for research. He often requires candles for some experiment. He is very decent and simple. We must not doubt him.
Oh, then.
Monty took a deep breath.
No one else has bought a candle.
Jumpy asked Champu.
Yes, let me think. Yes, I remember. I did sell a candle in the evening, but
what? Tell me quick, uncle. Think, who bought it?
I cannot remember. Yes, I got it. Your own servant, Johnny Jackal, took a candle yesterday.
What? Johnny?
Jumpy was shocked. Both ran and reached Jumpy's house. Johnny was busy cleaning and dusting the house. Monty quickly nabbed him and asked him angrily,
Were you the one who had committed theft last night at Jumbo's house?
Johnny was taken aback. Jumpy's mother informed that Johnny had got his leave approved earlier to go home by train in the evening. While searching Johnny's room, the Jumbo's cash and ornaments were confiscated. Inspector Monty arrested him. Jumpy was praised a lot. He said to Monty,
Good, Johnny's secret was out. Otherwise he would have fled with all our valuables.
Inspector Monty agreed with him. Thanking Jumpy, Jumbo shook hands with him and apologized for his rude behavior.